my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
Would they want to hit a base hit? They hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know. What up, guys? It's Kaylor here with Elite Trading, coming to you live every day. Let me lower that volume down. Boom. So it should be good. Shouldn't be too loud. I think we got it all set. I hope it's right. If not, let me know if it's too loud. I will turn it down and make it work for you guys. So we hope you can hear everything. I hope everything's good. Make sure you let me know in the chat. I'm going to pull up the chat because I want to make sure that I don't waste your time and my time by talking and you can't hear me. So just give me 1 second and we'll get started with the newsletter and get everything rocking and rolling for you today. So we appreciate you guys coming in here every day. The market is doing its thing today. We're going to go over the chart. We're going to look at it and see what's happening. And hopefully things are moving in the right direction. And hopefully we are going to see some action with the quad witch. So let me know. Drop your stuff in the chat. I'll tell you guys, good morning real fast and then get me going, guys. Let us know what tickers you want to look at. We're going to do some live trading with Kyle and the group today. So if you want to get in there, just come back and stay on the stream and we'll have some good stuff for you today. Happy St. Patty's Day. Got the green on, got the green background. Let's go. And you know what? Let's get a little more green. Let's get some more green in there. You like that? A little more green. Let's go with the newsletter and get you guys going with the stock picks of the day, trade ideas. This is all just opinions, guys. So just get in here. Don't get too excited about it, but get a little bit. And if you do, smash that like. All right, we've got the quote of the day. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. Robert Kiyosaki. Bulls of the day. ADCT. We have LIZI. We have UEC, QD, OPRX. And on the Bears, we have Plug, PLUG, with their accounting errors. They're getting beat up this morning. Looking for a continuation on that. Let's see how that pans out for them. Not looking to buy stocks that are having accounting issues. WPRT on the Bears list. PARR on the Bears list. And MTLS on the Bears list. All right, let's keep going. What do we got today? Thanks, John M., our man. His last day of work. Round of applause for John M. Hope to see you soon. Take some of that time off and come down and hang out with me. We can trade for an hour or two, clock out, and go hit the town, get some lunch. Daily news. Major indices saw new highs on Tuesday, followed by a mixed closing. Dow Jones is trading slightly higher this morning, but the S&P and the NASDAQ futures fell during the pre-market hours. CRWD and COUP, LEN, and SMAR had positive earnings, while PDD did not. Plug Power said it would have to restate its 2018, 19, and 20 financial statements after having accounting issues. This plunged the stock down 19% during the pre-market hours. 19%, guys. The Federal Reserve will speak at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard, so watch the market movement at 2 p.m. and then 2:30. He'll be able to answer questions, so that's when you'll really see the market start to react regarding inflation and rising the Treasury yields. So let's see what's going to happen. I think it's going to be balanced. I don't think they're going to go too far left or right. They're going to probably try to keep it even keel, but let's see what they say. We want to know the forward-looking statements. We want to know how long things are going to take to change. VWAGY continues to surge after they announce big EV targets in 2021 with major battery investments. Trading tips, learn fundamentals. Buying the dip is a bad habit, is it? Is buying the dip a bad habit? So, in my opinion, right now, no. But is it a bad habit in the future to be buying dips and not really being ready for the bigger dip? Going all in, using a lot of margin, things of that nature. Are you hedging your long-term portfolio? Just things you might want to ask yourself. Take a look at what that means. If you don't know what those terms mean, Google them, look at them, search them, ask us in the chat. We'll talk about it. Watching Plug, PLUG, GAN, DKNG, PLAY, and DAL all on the watch list. Thanks for being a member of Elite Trading, watching our newsletter, and we're going to get you guys into the charts for the day, and we got a little special. So we're in the Elite Pro here. This is on EliteTradingLive.com. If you go to EliteTradingLive.com, you can have access to our website here, and you can get in and join the crew by hitting the button that says continue this and get in here. I'll go back to that for you in the beginning or here in a little bit so you can see what we're looking at on the homepage for the website. But for right now, let's pull up, let's say, what's one that everyone likes to look at? Bitcoin. Here's your Bitcoin futures. You can look up Tesla. You like to look at a temporary long position and you want to use like an OCO bracket that we were talking about, you can go over there to the left and you can click right here. It'll open up a long position, short position, forecasting. You can date range it, price range it, do a date and price range. You can do bars, patterns, ghost feeds. You can do projections, fixed range volume profile. So you can do a lot of different things with this stuff. So let's say that we're going to go long and we wanted to buy in at this current level and we wanted to get in right now. So we would have on Tesla, if you were to be able to position yourself at that level, if it was to initiate, your current target would be 170 to the upside, 170 points, or 170 points to the downside. Stop. So you can change this by scrolling this up, take it to a necessary level of possible targets. And then it'll give you risk reward ratios. It'll tell you, what you're looking at as far as the amount to buy or sell for your targets, where you're looking to actually get in and out. And you can set this on your own, with your own broker typically. If not, you can actually link these to your broker and be able to initiate trades through this. And you can do it on like TOS, things like that, if you're on Thinkorswim. And if you don't know how to do it, I can teach you guys. Just shoot me a DM and I'll take care of that for you. But when you're looking at these things and you're wanting to go into the charting tools and start learning more about them, it's definitely, in my opinion, it's definitely nice to have like a buddy system, have someone there with you, teaching you and mentoring you, because it's hard to, if you don't know, you don't know. And I don't know everything, so I still have people, Mickey, different people in the group teach me different things. So I'm learning from our members just as much as I'm trying to help teach and just reteach things that I learned. So hope you guys are liking this stuff. Smash that like button. Let me know in the comments if everything's coming across clear to you. Are you enjoying what you're watching? Subscribe, do all that stuff. Let's pull up another chart here. Work down 0.47 in the pre-market. We have my bad, typo there. can down 13.71%, down 3.11% in the pre-market. Wow, big move on that one. SPY, baby, what you doing? It's a big move here. Yeah, I mean, you got a series of higher lows, which would show you're on an uptrend. It needs to possibly come back down around this area, maybe come down to 386, 388, and then see that next higher high, unless we're going to break out to all new highs this week, which, in my opinion, I think is more far-fetched, but they do say usually the least likely scenario is the most likely to occur, so you can even check out right up here at the top. You can go click here and go to the news. Check out what tweets we have going on. These are scrollable, automatically posted in here for you all on one page, and you can see, you know, Elon's Wall Street Bets, Benzinga. Watch what they're tweeting. You have the live news that comes through right here on the feed. It gives you a lot of different articles about stuff that's going on in the markets. You have sub 2R raises 3.5 million from Riva Technology and Entertainment. Just give you something that maybe you can search. The rise of dual apping behavior with BNPL. So there's Bitcoin buyers introduced the most advanced exchange filter in the cryptocurrency industry. A lot of cool, different, neat articles in there. Go to our homepage. Get a little, probably the video playing. Get that off. All right, cool. We don't got the volume on, so that's good. You know, it's good stuff. We hope you like, you know, what we're building for you and what we're trying to create here. And if you can see the growth, you can see, or hopefully you see the growth and it's helping you with different things. You can go in here and check out our Elite Trading Podcast and go over our first interview with Pontus Protein with the advancements in agriculture and all the different stuff that's going on. Daily news, live updates, live chats. Are you ready? Click that button. That's how you get started. Come check out our merch store. Thank you for Pixel Designs hooking us up with a nice store here. Everything looks great. Get you your Nike Elite Trading golf shirt. That's what I call it. The Drive Victory shirt. I like that one. With like a nice visor to match for the golf, you know. But I'm just kind of messing around this morning. We don't usually do all this, but I just wanted to go through and kind of show you guys what we've got going on, what we got working on, people that have been watching us for a long time and following. We appreciate you guys, and we'll see you soon. So let me get you to the go live. So traders, it's St. Patrick's Day. Got the green on. We need the market to go green for all you traders that are holding. If you hedged yourself, you're waking up not feeling too bad today. If you're short the market, probably had some wieners in there. Probably had some winners, guys. So we're going to hit that outro. Stay in the green, my friends. I appreciate you guys coming in here every day, like we say, and just supporting the crew. Hit that like button, subscribe, and keep coming in here for more stuff. If you want to carry on this conversation and continue to trade live with me and my crew, our team, all you got to do is jump in, EliteTradingLive.com, hit the join the team or the create this conversation, whatever the button was. You'll see it. Click the button, join now, get in with us. We love you guys. Keep supporting us. Elite Traders, Elite Trading Nation. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm pumped today. Got 15 minutes till the open. And what are we going to do today, guys? What are we going to trade? Are we going to trade tech? Are we looking at growth? Are we looking at value? Are you trading options into a quad witching? Are you retracting your options? Are you taking yourself off the table, waiting till Friday at 4 p.m., waiting for that rip? Are you waiting for that dip at the close and then you're going to buy and sell the opposite? What's your structure? What's your plan? What's your idea? What's your strat? What are you using? Do you have a strategy? If you don't have a strategy when you're going in trading, then what the hell are you doing? This is not just like, hey, let me throw a penny here, a dollar there, a quarter there, and just hope it sticks. You've got to actually have a plan if you're wanting to be successful. That's just what I've been taught. It's my opinion. It's what people have told me. They're like, hey, Kaylor, you can't just come in here trading, thinking you're all in the wild, wild west. You got to learn a little bit. There are actual rules to this engagement of trading, and once you start learning the things, it gets a little easier every day. It's still hard for me. I'm still learning every day. I'm not a professional on paper. I just do it every day. So I learn more than the people that aren't doing this every day. That's basically what I have to tell people when it says to justify why you should listen to me. Why listen to this guy? Maybe because you think I'm funny looking. I don't know. You want to just stare at me and make fun of me. But you might learn something too. So hopefully you do. Get in the group. Learn from Mickey the Master. Learn about Wyckoff theories. Learn about Elliott waves, market structure, order blocks, order flow, all the hard stuff. That's the fun stuff. That's when you really start learning what's going on with the big banks and institutional buyers and things like that. So if you're enjoying this stuff, come back tomorrow, 9 a.m. I'll be out. I'll be done trading today around 11. If you're down in Cincinnati, in the city, drinking a green beer, shoot me a text or a DM. I might show up and buy you a beer today. So we'll see you guys soon. And